Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Today we are making an European classic with a homemade twist, chicken cordon bleu. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, with melted cheese and prosciutto. This is a showstopper for any dinner. Chicken cordon bleu. 3 chicken breasts, 5 slices of cheese, 5 slices of prosciutto, 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, 100 grams of flour, 3 beaten eggs, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 liter of oil. Slice chicken breast thinly and season with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Stuff 2 slices of chicken with a slice of cheese and a slice of prosciutto. Use toothpicks to hold everything together. Coat each piece in flour, then beaten eggs, and finally in breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan and fry each cordon bleu for about 8 minutes until golden brown. Drain on absorbent paper to remove excess oil. Serve hot with white rice, sautéed vegetables, or a fresh salad. And there you have it, our irresistible chicken cordon bleu, a classic dish with Rosa's special touch. Perfect for a family dinner or a weekend lunch surprise. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next episode. Faça e coma!